In order for you to add caption to your videos using InShot or CapCut or VN editor, you have to subscribe to their pro plan. That's something that requires a lot of money, especially for new creators like you and I. So in today's videos, I'll be showing you the secret free app that I use to add caption to my videos for free. You don't have to pay for it. After this video, you are going to say goodbye to InShot, CapCut, and VN editor for caption because this app is going to do the magic for free. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, do well to smash the like button and subscribe so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I hit upload on this platform. Let's dive into it.
Go to your Facebook app and type the three-line menu on your profile. Make sure to install this app edit from Facebook. Once you open the app, these are some of my projects I have generated caption on. Tap the plus icon to bring in the video that you want to generate caption on. Once the video is in, tap the 2C icon over there, that's the caption. It will automatically generate caption on your video. Once the caption is generated, tap on the caption to place any missing word that was not generated correctly. Then go to start and choose the format in which you want for it to be appearing on the screen. You can go to color and choose whether you want it to be black, green, and a star, or the background to be white. Once you are done, tap the export button at the top there to export it so you can upload it on any platform of your preference.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.